Hey, what's up, tubers? This is the SHTF Hunter coming at you today with my a layout of my 24-hour survival kit. When I originally started this kit, it was supposed to be a very specialized kit. I still think it is, but anyway, thought I'd show you the items, maybe explain a little bit about why certain items are here. This kit's just basically to keep me alive for 24 hours. That's, it's very small, minimalist. We'll start with the bag itself. I think this is actually a copy of a Maxpedition. You could get them on Amazon. It's just a whole lot cheaper than Amazon than the actual Maxpedition. As you can see, it has mollies, so you could actually put a pouch here and put another on the side, but then you're making a much bigger kit. I did add this one, and but I wanted to show y'all the contents. So got that going on. Got a side pouch, the main water bottle pouch. Over here on the side, I got the compass on the pouch on the side, and the Air Force survival knife sheath is actually zip tied on the side. One thing I was missing in this kit and just realized it not too long ago was actual toilet paper. I don't think any kit should be without toilet paper, but we'll go on down through here. Of course, I'm able to keep about 6 teriyaki beef jerky pouches in there, so that goes on this right here. My compass is actually lanyard on. It's a Kaminga. It's got the the glow in the dark shit in it. But and I got that Air Force survival knife. Interesting fact that I learned not too long ago: the back of this knife is designed to saw was designed to saw aluminum or whatever and push it outward. It does not come back. It just pushes out. But it was designed for pilots to cut themselves out of cockpits. That's why but yeah, it's not designed only to saw one way, but it is a knife I had laying around. It's a knife that's easy to sharpen, and thought it'd be great for this kit. I recently put it in here when I found out the knife that was on here was a piece of junk, but all right, so down here I got let's see, I think this is like a 3 mil contractor bag, trash bag, and this could be used for multiple purposes, mostly shelter in the rain, or you could use it turn it into a poncho, or you could even cut it open and use it for a small shelter, for night or something. And I got a couple glow sticks, and I recently put this little fire steel. This little fire steel fits in the whetstone pouch of the knife, so I actually put it in there. I actually don't need that because I got a different knife sharpener right here. It's a lot easier, faster to use, a Smith's. And so in the bottom of this pouch, I got some cordage, some tarred bank line, fishing kit with some hooks and sinkers. I might try to add some flies or something to this kit to make it a little bit better. Got fishing line, of course. We'll go over here. Some of the stuff that's in the side pouches. I keep a little pen light and 2 charges of batteries. I never keep batteries in my in electronics in the survival kits, just in case the batteries leak, because if a battery leaks, it destroys your electronics. It'll destroy your light or whatever it's in. And over here I got my fire kit, which is a mini Bic. The mini Bic, I actually store it in this, which has got some weatherproof matches, UCO. And the biggest majority of my kits will always have black electrical tape. A lot of times I use this for band-aids, but it's got multiple uses. The reason I use this for band-aids, a lot of times it actually keeps water out of a cut, so I use that instead of actual band-aid. I'm actually a mechanic, so that's one of the things I use a lot. This medic kit ain't to stop bullet wounds or nothing like that, but I always keep Neosporin. I got some regular Band-Aids, some other stuff in here. If you buy like a generic Band-Aid or first aid kit from like a Walmart, you really need to go through it and see what's in it. The Neosporin and also Stop Bleed. I guess that's used to cauterize wounds, but anyway, so they're actually stored in here too. And over here, I've sprained several ankles, so I always keep an ace bandage around. I always get the ones with the metal clips because you can get some that are like glue type, but over time the glue is just going to give out, so that's why I always go with metal clipped ones. Of course, my Tylenol and my aspirin. I want to get small, either get the little 2 pouches of aspirin to keep in my kit, or I love these little containers of Tylenol. They're about the perfect size, but one of the reasons I keep aspirin in is because, they say if it's a blood thinner, if somebody's having a heart attack, you use aspirin. So that's the reason I keep it in kit from now on. Up here, just got stainless steel cup you can get at Walmart. I think he's like $5 to $7. I don't know. They're well worth what you pay for them. And the Clean Canteen. I think this is like a 32 ounce, 40 ounce. Okay, 40 ounce. And then I got the. This is a Life Straw filter that. There were certain water bottles this fits on, and Clean Canteen was one of them. I choose Clean Canteen because this is stainless steel, so if I ever need to boil water in it, I can boil water in it. Now, like this kit, I actually carry it some when I'm in the military, and if I have access to clean water, which most of the time, you can actually take this off. So there it is without. So you can take this off and just run that. And when you do that, it's a lot easier to drink water without the filter on. But the filter is just in case you're gonna be in a situation where you might not have clean water, basically. So yep, this is my 24-hour survival kit. And like I say, it does get used when I'm doing military stuff. Of course, this bottle does fit in the canteen cup, and that all goes down in there. So, all right, this is the SHTF Hunter. Just wanted to give you a more detailed video of my 24-hour survival kit. I'm out.